All right, look at the baby go in his new stroller. There he goes. Lap 1. All right, there he goes. Here comes Maddie. Here comes Maddie in her monkey stroller. You're okay, big girl. All right. All right, Jackson, are you ready? Maddie, turn around. Turn around, Maddie. Turn around, Maddie. Uh-oh. Okay, that's good. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Come on, come this way. It's the stroller races. Hi, Maddie. Hi, Jackson. Uh-oh. Oh, are you okay? Jackson, can you tell Maddie that you're sorry? I think you ran into her foot. Tell her that you're sorry. Oh, that's very nice. She get a kiss too? Oh, a Zerbert. Yeah? Yeah? No, it doesn't go up there, buddy. No. Nope. Are those your dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
Boo.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one? Which blue one?
Down.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, how about the red one? Which one? That red one? Oh, that's very cute. Yeah. That's a green one. Maddie, do you have monkeys on your stroller?
Yeah.
What does the monkey say, Maddie? Jackson? Jackson. Jackson, who's on your shirt?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo? That's right, you have a choo-choo on your shirt. Maddie. Maddie. Beautiful girl. I see a beautiful baby girl.
Beep, beep.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for each other's toes. You want Mama to move the hose?
Beep,
Beep, beep, beep, beep, beep, beep.
no, beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. There they go. There they go. All right, turn your stroller around, Maddie. It's a good girl. That's a good job. All right, come this way. Come on, run, 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 run. Oh, that's good pushing, Maddie. Good pushing. Oh, she's gonna crash. Oh, hi, Jackson. No, watch out. You're gonna run into Maddie's feet. You gotta be careful, buddy. There goes Jackson. Oh, and he crashed. Oh, you're gonna move the hose?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
No.
You are such a big boy. Mama is very proud of you for being such a big boy. Maddie, what is that? Okay, go that way. Yeah, go that way. Good job, buddy. Yep, let's move the hose. Good idea. Good idea. And there he goes. There he goes. Here comes Maddie. And there goes Jackson around the corner. Maddie, he lapped you. Maddie, he lapped you. There's Radar. You're right, there's water over there, isn't there? You say agua? It's okay, it's just water. It's okay. You gotta back up, Maddie. Back up a little bit. There you go. There you go, big girl. Good job. Here comes Jackson. Vroom, around the corner. Careful, don't run into Maddie, Jackson. Don't run into Maddie.
No. Uh-oh.
Maddie, are you ready to go take a bath?
No.
No. Jackson, are you ready to go take a bath?
No.
No? You guys still want to keep playing? What? What's in there? Oh, are you going to get in? Okay, you need to sit down because I don't want you to tip it over and fall. Okay. Okay, get in. I gotcha. Turn around. No, you gotta sit down on your bottom. That's not sitting on your bottom. Can you sit on your bottom?
Like this.
Like this?
Blue.
No, that's black. You're black.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boo, boo.
Not bad for $15 strollers. Not bad for $15 strollers. They're awfully cute. Well, the picnic table's in the way, big girl. You gotta go around the picnic table. You gotta go around it. You can't go through it. You gotta go around it. Here comes Maddie.
Oh.
Crash.
Uh-oh.
You gonna go this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Radar.
Hi.
Hi, Radar.
Hi.
Radar's on Squirrel Patrol.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Maddie, can you wave bye-bye to Mommy?
Bye-bye.
Wave bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave bye-bye to God? Where's God? That's right. He's up in heaven. Where's Jesus? That's right, Maddie. He's up in heaven, isn't he? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.